Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we're going to be doing just a regular makeup I am ashy, act like y'all don't see it. Today we're going to be doing like a regular makeup tutorial. So I got some new eyeshadow palettes for my birthday just passed like a couple days ago, and I got some new eyeshadow palettes. Today we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill. This is one of the palettes out of the vault. As you know, the vault is like 4 palettes, but I didn't get all 4. I just got one. My boyfriend bought me this. So, yeah, this is the, let's see, the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So, I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. This is not a review or anything. Okay, just broke the box. This is not a review or anything like that. I'm just going to be doing, okay, just broke the box again. I'm just going to be doing like a simple makeup tutorial with this eyeshadow palette. Alright, so when you first get out the box, it comes in bubble wrap, and then you're going to take it out the bubble wrap, and it just looks like this. So, really simple and easy to travel with. It's really sleek. And then it has Morphe times Jaclyn Hill on the front, and then there's nothing on the back. And it comes with a mirror, which is amazing, and it has the shade names right under the eyeshadows. So, and it doesn't come with that little, wait, does it? Yeah, it does come with this little annoying thing, but it's stuck. Oh, okay. Never mind. All right, so, yeah, so this is what the palette looks like. I'm not going to do swatches because I suck at swatches and then I get makeup everywhere. So, I'm not going to do those. But just know that they're pigmented because I did swatch this inside the store and it looks really, really nice. I just wanted to kind of give you like an intro to the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do that right now, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, if you want to see how this eyeshadow look is going to turn out, then just keep watching. First, we're going to start out with the brows. I always start out with my brows. You already know that. And so we're going to start out spooling, just spool my brows. I'm going to go in with the Salon Perfect Brow Pomade, and the name is scratched off of this because I've had it for so long. What I like to do is I just like to go in and I like to sketch out my brows, kind of like I follow the natural shape that they grow in, and then like I outline them, and then I go in the middle, and my brows are not the same at all. I just kind of work with them to get them to look really close to the same, because they are just not. In real time, it takes me literally like 20 minutes to do my brows, so I'm not going to record everything in this video. I'm just going to record like the basic parts. Alright, so brows are done. Now I'm going to just take the excess concealer in my hand that I use for my brows to my lid to act as my eyeshadow primer. Alright, so now I'm going to set my lids, set the concealer on my lids. Let's see. I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses HD Set It and Forget It powder. Time for the magic happen. Smooth Criminal, it's this color right here. And I'm going to put that into my crease as a transition color. Yeah, we're going to take this Wet n Wild brush. She has all types of stuff on it, don't judge me. And apply Smooth Criminal into my lid. I'm going to go like hold the brush on the end. It's easier application. And you want to do windshield wiper motions. I'm going to take another blending eye brush, and this is the BH Cosmetic brush, and it doesn't have anything on it but BH Cosmetic, so it looks like this. And I'm going to go in with Agent, and that's like that mustardy yellow right there. I mean mustardy orange, and mix that in with Smooth Criminal. Can't really see it that well, but it's there. I have a darker complexion, so it's not showing up that well, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. blending eye brush. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go into this color Prowl, which is like a really, really dark brown. And I'm gonna apply that into my crease. And I wanna just like feather that out and feather this color out and just really blend it all the way out. I don't want it to look like too like harsh and not blended, so you want to just make sure that you feather this color out all the way like around your lid. Like, I'm going to apply like up and down in motions in the crease, and then I'm going to also apply it here. Because you kind of want it to just blend all the way out and just kind of like that. Like, that's the motion that you want it to go in. After you blended that all the way out, I'm gonna go back in with Agent, and that's that like mustardy color. And I'm gonna like blend that back into my crease. And kind of like blend it into the prowl, the dark brown color. You really just have to blend. Honestly, that's all this eyeshadow look is, blending. Swatch access to see how. Okay, so that's access. I think I'm gonna apply that to my lid. Wow, that's bright. Okay, so I'm gonna apply access to my lid. I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye, and then I'm going to go into lashes. All right, so I get a lot of requests to do my lash application, so I'm gonna record that. Today I'm gonna be using these Kiss Pageboy lashes. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of these. So what you want to do is hold a mirror down. You want to hold a mirror down and then look down into the mirror. Take your lashes. Make sure you let the glue get tacky. And then just place it on your lash band. You don't want to apply too much glue. You don't want to apply not enough glue. And you don't want to let it dry too long because, well, depending on the type of glue that you use, because I know a lot of people say it's not healthy and you're not supposed to do it, but I use hair glue. I don't care, you know, it's my eyes. I'm not harming anyone else. And hair glue dries really, really quickly. So while I was just over here talking to y'all, it dried up, and so I'm having to reapply. And I always like to add extra glue on it, like on the tips, just so the ends can stay down. I usually like to put on mascara before I do this, but you don't have to. Then I just like to take my natural lashes and the fake lash and mesh them together. I don't really like these lashes, honestly. I don't like how they look on me, but I have these lashes in my possession, and tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. Alright guys, so I just seen a starburst on my desk and I was like, it's called my name. It's harder than I expected it to be. Only the places that I like to prime with that baby skin primer is under my eyes, my nose, and my forehead. And the reason for that is those are the areas where I have the largest pores. Right now my skin is pretty normal. It is the winter time, but usually in the winter time my skin gets dry, but it's still pretty normal. So since it's normal, I've already applied my moisturizer and stuff like that, so I'm not going to use like a primer in this area, these areas of my face, honestly, because I just don't need one. This powder again, and I always do this. I always do this. I'm just going to apply them right where I get my laugh, where my laugh lines crease. Now, if you have really oily skin, this is also a good alternative. I'm going to color correct, and I'm going to color correct with the Deep Dark 50 concealer from Colourpop. And basically I just like to go in and spot conceal, and then I kind of just hit the spots where my marks are like the darkest, and then I'll kind of put a little bit under my eye, because as you can see I kind of have like a little dark circles, but you can't really tell unless you just like really look. But I'm gonna kind of apply those there. I decided to put a little shimmer on my eye. The shimmers were literally like calling my name, so I just decided to go in with my fingertip and then just put like a little shimmer like right in the middle, because I still want the yellow to show up, and it's kind of really not showing up as well as I thought it would. So I just put the shimmer. I just decided to just put the shimmer on top to add a pop. And I really do not like these lashes. I don't like the style of them. Like, they look weird. Maybelline Superstay. This is in the color 355 Coconut. That's my usual shade in the other Maybelline foundations. All right. Yeah, that's pretty good color. Well, let me blend it out before I make that assumption. I'm going to use my beauty blender to like blend this all out and to like make it look a lot more skin-like. For concealer, I'm gonna take this Maybelline concealer. This is a 30 Honey. I'm gonna apply this. I'm gonna apply a little bit up here, and then I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop dark concealer that I used to conceal my dark marks, and I'm just gonna apply this down here. I'm not gonna cream contour. I don't know. I just don't feel like it. I'm just gonna take my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm gonna go in with this contour shade here. My friend bought me a new one of these for my birthday, but I'm trying to get all my money out of this old one, honey. I'm also gonna go in with a smaller brush. And I'm gonna take like a more fluffy brush, like something like this, and then blend that out. Flat brush, and I got this from BH Cosmetics as well. And I'm just going to blend out, and I'm gonna start blending from the top. And then I'm gonna go down into the darker concealer. This is a great brush to blend out your concealer, in my opinion, because it makes it look so flawless, as you can see. Alright guys, so I'm just going to use the last of my setting powder. I got to get some more of this before Christmas because this is my favorite setting powder. Alright, so I'm going to use the last of my setting powder and set my concealer. And as you can see, like, it makes it so smooth. Like, this is some bomb powder. I don't care what nobody say. We got this nose contour snatched, honey. That's how you want it, snatched. Real Techniques fan brush. And we're going to go in with some highlighter. I'm going to be using Makeup Shayla's Boomin highlight. This is a loose pigment, so you might want to be a little careful with her. Alright. So I'm going to go into my MAC Studio. No, this is actually my matte blot powder. But I use it like Studio Fix because it works like Studio Fix. And this is in the color Deep Dark. Eco Tools brush. It's just like a face brush, I guess. And as you can see, I've hit pan with this because it's like amazing. And I'm just gonna go in and apply this to my face. Some black eyeliner, as you guys, if y'all don't know. And then I'm gonna spray my face first. Dang it, I applied the wrong color. Okay, I'm gonna apply Guilt Trip. The Colourpop BFF 3 pencil. And line our lip. I'm gonna go in with NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brûlée. Perfect peachy nude. Alright, and this is the finished result. I hope you guys love it. Hope you guys freaking love it. You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cat.